What is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information, data, stored and retrieved digitally from a remote or local computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system, DBMS. Most databases use a structured query language, SQL, for writing and querying data. A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. What is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. The DBMS manages incoming data, organize it, and provide way for the data to be modified or extracted by the user or other programmers. Some DBMS examples are SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft Access, etc. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the standard language for relational database management system. SQL statements are used to generate queries from a client program to the database. This can allow the user to execute a wide range of fast data manipulation. SQL is the main language that allows your database server to store and edit the data on it. SQL became an ISO standard in 1987. What is table? Table is a database object that contains all the data in database. In table, data is organized in the form of rows and columns. What is constants? Constants are used to specify rule for the data in a table. This ensures the accuracy and reliability of the data in the database. SQL Server contains the following 6 types of constants: not null constant, check constant, default constant, unique constant, primary key constant, foreign key constant. Which TCP IP port does SQL Server run on? By default, SQL Server run on port 1433. It can be changed from the network utility TCP IP properties. What is the difference between clustered and non-clustered index? Cluster index. A cluster index is an index that rearranges the table in the order of the index itself. Its leaf nodes contain data pages. A table can have only one cluster index. Non-cluster index. A non-clustered index is an index that does not rearrange the table in the order of the index itself. Its leaf nodes contain index row instead of data pages. A table can have many non-clustered index. What is the difference between primary key and unique key? Primary key does not allow null value. Unique key by default allow only one null value. Primary key default clustered index, unique key default non-clustered index. Primary key, only one primary key can be used in a table. Unique key, there can be multiple unique key in a table. What is the use of a scope identity function? A scope identity function returns the most recent created identity value for the table in the current execution scope. What is the purpose of floor function? Floor function is used to round up a non-integer value to the previous list integer. Example, floor 8.7, it will return 8. What is the use of sign function? Sign function is used to determine whether the number specified is positive, negative, or 0. This will return +1, -1, or 0. For example, sign -20, it will return -1. What is a trigger? Trigger is used to execute a batch of SQL code when insert or update or delete commands are executed against a table. Triggers are automatically triggered or executed when the data is modified It can be executed automatically on insert, delete and update statements. What is bulk copy in SQL? Bulk copy is a tool used to copy large amount of data from tables. This tool is used to load large amount of data in SQL Server. What are the different backups available in SQL Server? Different possible backups are full backup, differential backup, transactional log backup, copy only backup, file and file group backup. When is the update statics command used? Update statics command updates the static used by the index to make the search easier. What is mirroring? Mirroring is a high availability solution. It is designed to maintain a hot standby server which is consistent with the primary server in terms of transaction. Transaction log records are sent directly from principal server to a secondary server, which keeps a secondary server up to date with the principal server. What is log shipping? Log shipping is nothing but the automation of backup and restores the database from one server to another, a standalone standby server. This is one of the disaster recovery solution. If one server fails from some reason, we will have the same data available on the standby server. What is an ER diagram? An ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, is a special picture used to represent the requirement and assumption in a system from a top-down perspective. It shows the relation between entities in a database. What is durability? In database system, durability is an ACID property which guarantees that transactions that have committed will survive permanently. What is a sparse column in SQL Server? A sparse column is an ordinary type of column that has optimized storage for null value. It also reduces the space requirement for null value at the cost of more overhead to retrieve non-null value. In other words, a sparse column is better at managing null and zero value in SQL Server. It does not occupy any space in the database. Using a sparse column, we may save up to 20 to 40% of a space. We can define a column as a sparse column using the create table or alter table statement. What is the use of set none count on off statement? By default, no count is set to off and it returns number of records got affected whenever the command is getting executed. If the user doesn't want to display the number of records affected, it can be explicitly set to on, set no count on. Which SQL Server table is used to hold the store procedure scripts? sys.sql_modules is a SQL Server table used to store the script of a store procedure. Name of the store procedure is saved in the table called sys.procedures. What are magic tables in SQL Server? During DML operations like insert, delete and update, SQL Server creates magic tables to hold the value during the DML operation. These magic tables are used inside the trigger for data transaction. What is isNull operator? isNull function is used to check whether value given is null or not null in SQL Server. This function also provides to replace a value with the null. What is the use of for clause? For clause is mainly used for XML and browser options. This clause is mainly used to display the query results in XML format or in browser. What is the advantages of using a stored procedure? Following are the advantages of using a stored procedure. First, a stored procedure boosts application performance. A stored procedure execution plan can be reused as they cached in SQL Server memory, which reduce server overhead. They can be reused. It can encapsulate logic. You can change the stored procedure code without affecting clients. They provide better security for your data. What is identity in SQL? An identity column in SQL automatically generates numeric value. B can be defined as a start and increment value of the identity column. Identity column do not need to be indexed. Is it possible to call a store procedure within a store procedure? Yes, we can call a store procedure within a store procedure. It is called the recursion property of the SQL server, and this type of a store procedure are called nested store procedures. What is foreign key? When a one table's primary key field is added to related table to create the common field which relates the two tables, it called a foreign key in other tables. Foreign key constants enforce referential integrity. What is the difference between getDate and sysDateTime? Both are same, but getDate can give time till millisecond and sysDateTime can give precious till nanosecond. SysDateTime is more accurate than getDate. Which command is used for user-defined error message? Raise error is the command used to generate and initiate error processing for a given session. Those user-defined messages are stored in sys.messages table. What is filtered index? Filtered index is used to filter some portion of row in a table to improve query performance, index maintenance, and reduce index storage cost. When the index is created with where clause, then it is called filtered index. What is the exist function used for? It is used to determine whether a query returns one or more rows. If it does, the exist function returns true, otherwise it will return false. What is the difference between having clause and where clause in SQL Server? Having clause. Having clause is used only with the select statement. It is generally used in group by clause in query. If group by is not used, having works like where clause. Having clause can be used with the aggregate function, where clause. The where clause is applied to each row before they become a part of the group by function in query. Where clause cannot be used with the aggregate function. What is check constant in SQL Server? A check constant is applied to a column in a table to limit the value that can be placed in a column. It enforces integrity. After using the check constant on single column, we can only give some specific value for that particular column. Check constant apply a condition for each column in a table. What command is used to rename the database? To rename database, we can use below command sp_rename db old db name, new db name. Can SQL Server be linked with other servers like Oracle? Yes, it can be linked to any server. It has OLEDB provider from Microsoft which allow linking. What is CDC in SQL Server? CDC is termed as change data capture. It captures the recent activity of insert, delete, and update, which are applied to the SQL Server table. It records the changes made in SQL Server table in a compatible format. What is collect function? Collect function takes a set of inputs and return the first null value. Example, select collect null, 1, 2, SQL. It will return 1. What is the difference between drop and truncate commands? Drop command remove a table and it cannot be rolled back from the database, whereas truncate command remove all the row from the table. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you can get notification of all my new videos.